In this video, I'll show you how to enable options trading on Webull, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To enable options trading on Webull, first open your Webull app and log in. Once you're in, tap on the menu option, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see Shortcuts, and then tap on Settings. Next, select Account Management, which is located in the Settings list. Here, you'll see the option for Options Trading Level. By default, options trading is not enabled, so you'll need to apply to get access. Tap on this option to start the application. You'll be asked to provide information about yourself, including your income, investment experience, and risk tolerance. Make sure to accurately answer all the questions about your investment goals and understanding of options trading. Once you've filled out the application, tap Submit to send it for review. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.